Subscribe to Smart Tech channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates from us.
Android-based MIUI 9. It bears an 8-inch Full HD 1920x 1200 pixels display with 16:10 aspect ratio and pixel density of 283 ppi. It is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 SoC clocked up to 2.2 GHz, coupled with either 3GB or 4GB of RAM. The tablet has a 13-megapixel rear camera with an f/2.0 aperture and support for HDR. On the front, the tablet has a 5-megapixel camera, also with an f/2.0 aperture. As we mentioned, the company is also touting the AI Face Unlock feature. The Mi Pad 4 features either 32GB or 64GB of inbuilt storage, neither of which is expandable via microSD card. Connectivity options on the Xiaomi Mi Pad 4 include 4G LTE Single Nano SIM, Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG and AC dual band, 2.45 GHz and 5 GHz, Bluetooth V5.0, 3.5mm headphone jack, and USB Type-C. GPS and AGPS options are only available on the LTE variant. Sensors on the Wi-Fi only model include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, and a gyroscope. The LTE variant has a digital compass in addition. It is powered by a 6000 mAh battery, measures 200.2 x 120.3 x 7.9 mm, and weighs 342.5 grams.